Hi, it's Kurt, Walco Seed Cleaning. Thanks for watching. One of the big questions, and I guess it's a fairly important one, is why do I need my seed graded? Now there's quite a few reasons why. Most importantly is basically to make more money for you guys. The big thing is, why do you want to go out and plant seeds that are inferior, that may not germinate? If they do germinate, then they might end up with a stunted plant or just not have much vigor to come out of the ground. All those factors. Any smart farmer knows that you should get your seed graded, and when you do get it graded properly. Don't just run it through quick and just take the worst of the rubbish out. That's not the real reason why we do it. So grading it properly is a big thing, and that's why we've got our machine set up ready to do it, and I'd like to think we do a good job, and the proof's out in the paddocks obviously for all our clients that we do. Yeah, so a more consistent seeding rate is your other advantage. Obviously the big thing which causes a lot of headaches is blockages at seeding time. Number of complaints I've had from people, that especially ones that don't grade their seed, they're constantly getting blockages, and it frustrates the hell out of them, and they don't understand why they haven't done it in the past. So I guess another reason is that it's always good to get a contractor to come in to have a look at your seed and make sure that everything is all good and the seed is actually a viable sort of a thing. There's things that we can't actually do, and you can only do basically in a science lab, and that's to check the vigor, germination, which you can do in your own kitchen if you like. There's probably make another video of that one. But yeah, vigor, and if you get a lab test done, they actually go quite elaborate into it and reduce the temperature of the seed to a stable temperature, get some more accurate germination on that side of it. So if there's anything else you want to know about it, just feel free, give us a ring. More than happy to have a chat, or send us an email, check out the Twitter page, Facebook, we're all over the place. So have a look, and any questions, feel free to call. Thanks very much for watching. Catch ya.